What if we stood on the brink of a new era where technology and biology converge in ways we've never seen before? Welcome to the world of Xenobots, the first living robots that are not just a testament to scientific innovation, but also to the sheer unpredictability of life itself. Crafted from the stem cells of the African clawed frogs, these minute entities are more than just blobs. They move, they collaborate, and they self-heal. But that's not all. They've unlocked a new chapter in reproduction, something unseen in the realm of plants or animals. These Xenobots have mastered kinetic replication, a process familiar at the molecular level, but unprecedented at the scale of whole cells or organisms. Imagine a jigsaw puzzle coming together on its own. That's how Xenobots reproduce, by assembling single cells into a new Xenobot. And how did we reach this point? It is the fruit of a symbiosis between biology and artificial intelligence. Researchers tested billions of body shapes to enhance the Xenobot's effectiveness at replication. The winning design? Something akin to a character from a popular video game from the past. Think of a round, mouthy figure gobbling up everything in its path. But where does this lead us? What does the future hold for these living machines? The possibilities are broad and exciting, from collecting microplastics to inspecting root systems, and even stepping into the field of regenerative medicine. Xenobots could be the key to solving some of our most pressing environmental and health challenges. But rest assured, these living machines are not running amok. They are harmless and safely contained in a laboratory, and they are biodegradable. There's no threat of a grey goo apocalypse here. So to wrap it up, we're in a new age where living robots, Xenobots, are a reality. They're the result of a unique blend of biology and technology, capable of self-healing, working in teams, and even reproducing through a never-before-seen method, kinetic replication. Their potential applications are vast, ranging from environmental cleanups to medical advancements. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more such fascinating videos.